Guys, welcome sa Hong Kong Disneyland. Your magical journey begins here. Hi guys, welcome to Hong Kong.
First time namin. Dami na natin yung bansang pinundan, pero ngayon lang tayo nakapag-
First time namin dito. So, at dito kami sasakay sa Alphard na to. So, we have two Alphards na sasakyan ngayon. I will be riding on front.
Sila?
Guys, ang daming kakaiba dito sa Hong Kong. Dun sa airport nila, kakaiba yung basa ng kamay. Hindi ka naalis. Washing, soap, and then dryer. The same area. Kakaiba. Hey guys, okay?
Yeah.
Ay, ang ganda ng camera, no? Ganda ng tulay, oh. Okay, welcome to our hotel ngayong araw. We have to check in. Ayun, guys, ito kami ngayon sa Hong Kong. It's the first day. Andito kami ngayon sa
Ocean Terminal.
Very good. So, as you see, guys, ang ganda ng view, oh.
I see one smaller than the big one, but it looks the same.
Yeah.
So easily, and it really came as no surprise. You look beyond comparing every time that I came close.
Kasi daming pagkain dito ako nakikurious eh. Touch. Oh, making one out of one. Just drop that there. Here's it. Boom. There's your perfect pancake. Ito na. Hi. Guys, welcome sa Hong Kong Disneyland. First time namin dito at enjoy natin yung ganda ng lugar. Medyo napakaraming tao at masama ang panahon dahil sa nag-uulan nga dito sa Hong Kong. Pero enjoy lang natin kung ano yung makikita natin sa loob. Tingnan mo kung gaano kahaba yung pila ng ticket area. Fall in line, ma'am. Dito tayo. Your magical journey begins here. Mahigpit din ang inspection nila dito. Dito natuto na ako dito eh. Bawal magdala ng drone, bawal magdala ng tripod. Only my hand cam. So iniwan na natin lahat yun para at least wala nang abala. Your second Disneyland, right? Moana sa homecoming celebration, 12:30. Marunong ka ba mag-dance ng Moana? Mamaya 12:30. Paano? The villagers want to know it.
Welcome. Come on, let's go.
Okay, what we have here? Cool, ah. Wow, ganda, oh. So, walang ride kasi outdoor. Sama ang panahon. So, better check the weather if you're going to book here at Hong Kong Disneyland. Sayang, oh, hindi tayo makaride dyan. Isa pa naman to sa magandang ride ng Disneyland. Oh, we have a different way.
What?
What's the...
Oh God!
We have a different... Oh! Hi guys! Oh! Oh! The dragon has awakened! Are you okay? Wow! since wala ng ulan, nagbukas pa yung ibang ride. Tara, try natin yan. Now guys, kasama natin si Simon. So, he will ride with us. Are you ready? Kinakabahan eh. O ako yung kinakabahan. Are you nervous? It's now green. This means ready to go.
You're a brave one! Good for you!
Look at them. Look at them. He's brave. He's brave. Huh?
I'm not used to this kind.
Hey, good job, Simon. Good.
Oh my god!
Congrats. You did it.
I'm not used to this.
You did it, man. Come on, let's go here. Spinky dog.
Go there. I don't want to go there.
Yung view namin ni Kel.
Ah, saan ang view niyo?
Bundok.
Paikot-ikot lang pala to.
Nakakakabibot lang.
Pinapaikot-ikot lang, kamukha ng ginagawa mo sa akin namin. Hey, skating pass na rin ha. Come on, doggy!
Got your tail!
Come on! Spring doggy! We're going to watch a movie, 4D. Guys, you okay?
Yeah.
Like a king was before. I'm pushing up, I'm looking down, I'm working on my floor. No colors the sky anymore. You tell me that it's red anymore. Here we go.
That is so fun, right?
Amazing. Damn.
And one hot dog. Get the hot dog. Wow. Gigantic, no? Mas malaki to. Guys, so pakalaki. Isang size ng manok.
Ano? Sarap?
Good. Ito yung ganito, wala masyadong sauce. What do you see? Let's go here.
Let's go, Iron Man.
Hyperspace Mountain. Do you see? Hey, sasakay kami ng Star Wars. Are you guys excited?
No.
You excited?
I'm scared.
We're going to ride to the spaceship there. Ganyan guys, so ayan o. Oh, nasa outer space na tayo ngayon. Takot na tong mga to. Oh, it's us. We can do it. Umatras na si Mami, si Ken at si Simon. Hindi nila kinaya. Ayan o. Okay, let's go, let's go. Max, tabi tayo. Whoa! Woo! Hyperspeed! Ayan na, ayan na! Let's go! Woo! Oh! Ah! Woo! That was fun!
I'm Superman! Oh yeah! I did it! I'm right!
Ano yun?
I'm
Ano yun? Ang ganda! Ang ganda! Isa pa, isa pa! Isa pa!
I don't want another one!
Yes, ang ganda. You have to look. Ang ganda talaga.
I look! I'm Superman!
Ang ganda, di ba?
The best.
I open my eyes all the time.
Me too!
And so, it's so cool.
It's so cool, literally!
Si Max nakayuko eh.
Yeah, I'm only on the striped turns! The striped turns are scary as heck!
my tummy like
What happened to you, Sai? Let's go, guys. Welcome to Ant-Man and the Wasp. Oh, paramihan tayo ng score, Mami. Okay, let's battle the aliens. There you go. Ooh. Boom, 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 boom. I'm hitting it. Mami, look at my score. I'm so high, oh. 12-30. Tamaan mo yung ano, yung screen. Oh, 35,000 ako. Woo. How many score I will get? Come on, boys, you got this. Look at my hand is fast. Lato ng score ko. Yeah, Division of Science and Technology. Oh, that's
Awesome experience.
awesome. Easy, huh? Simon. How about this? Let's buy this. Let's go, Iron Man experience. Ito na. Maganda to eh. May bagong invention si Iron Man.
More than an invention.
Si Jarvis.
Charming interruption.
Ayos, guys.
This is Jarvis. And
the first suit of Iron Man.
created
Ready
by
pa.
Dark Vision goggles. Oh, pogi ah. Oh, nasa front tayo. Yay!
No.
Oh, atas pa ba kayo ah?
1, 2, 3. Are you ready?
Ready! Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Ayan, guys. Ayan, kay Jarvis. Ayan na pala. Start.
XO8, you are cleared for takeoff.
Ayan na, take off na
歡迎
tayo.
各位嘅光臨。
Wow!
打爛咗道門，唔好意思。 各位乘客，前面就係史達大樓。呢座高科技建築物嘅運作能源嚟自史達先。
Jarvis, release the weight there, buddy.
唔該曬史達，
Jarvis, we got you. Sort of.
你最好快手啲。
Yeah, okay, good. We're almost there, buddy. Hold on. Jarvis, detach the cable.
你嘅隨身物品
That was
右手邊離開。多
awesome!
謝。Please retrieve your belongings.
There. How is it? Nice. Patingin. Ay, wow. Oh, how about you, Hermes? That's a gift from your dad. Sana all. Ayos ba? Oh, say thank you to your dad. Okay. Oh, dad, you pay.
You want the boss?
Yeah, back. All right. Dad, you pay.
I don't have money to pay that.
Come on, you pay.
Nice. Mickey Mouse ah. Mapuno nyo kaya to? Yun. Ano? Kayo pumili nito?
Yeah. Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
Nice. Congrats. Okay, so yung may hilig na lang sa ride ang naiwan. Let's go, Max! Sakto ah. Let's go! Let's go, Max! Sakto ah. Let's go! Tapos na. Ang ganda din, ano?
It was so amazing.
So nice. Ang ganda. Ganda nun.
It was so much fun.
Okay. Let's go. It's gonna be fun.
呢個夏雪戰真係完美啦！
Woohoo! Whoa! Let's go! Woo! Whoa! Whoa! Woohoo! Woohoo! Yeah! Woohoo! Let's go! Woohoo! Oh, tapos na? It's done already? Dang, that was so fast.
You took my slides?
Yun na yun?
Yeah.
What?
即係話未傾過，即係話未傾過。
What? That's it? Bitin, sayang yung pila, 30 minutes. That's boring. Dude, it's boring. We wait for 30 minutes, then that's the ride. It's fun, but it's too short.
謝謝。
You have to do it 3 times.
3 times.
要最前面吗？
是不是這個？這個東西嗎？
这儿吧，这里面，这里面。
你怎麼可以問邊個幫手啫？
Galing ah.
Think about.
Drone, no?
I'm gonna nap in the car.
Daming drone yan ah.
I wonder who's controlling it all.
It's a drone.
Automatic drone.
Wow.
Water.
Pati na ang
Fire.
dito sa Hong Kong, iba din.
What a celebration!
Mainit ah.
Right there.
Yo!
You done? Nope. My little snowman.
Galing. I wonder what happened when
Wow! Worth it. Worth it ang paghihintay.
for the bag.
Let's go.
The back down. I'm gonna turn on the air.
Set 1, set 2.
I'm gonna...
Okay. Naghintay ka ba ng matagal, kabayan?
Alam na nila.
Enjoy ako doon sa ano mo eh.
Saan?
Setup ng motor mo.
Uy, nanonood ka pa ng vlog ko, kabayan. Wow. Thank you, kabayan. May bago tayong subscriber dito sa sa Hong Kong. Kabayan, shout out, kabayan.
D, what do I do?
What's the time?
Make a message for them.
What message? I don't know. Why me?
Come visit Disneyland, Hong Kong.
Come on, encourage them. Visit Disneyland.
Okay.
I do not recommend this.
Why?
Ken, that was before in line. Okay. You should go to Disney Cake. You guys should come to Disneyland in Hong Kong. A lot of things going on in there. Like roller coasters. Really fast ones. My dad enjoys it.
ride a lot here. Sa Shanghai.
Dad,
Welcome to Hong Kong Ocean Park!
Let's go!